So we always knew we needed to have a deeper breakthrough to make progress.
Hello friends, Google just announced Gemini lately, the new generative AI model.
Generative AI, AI.
And in this video I'm gonna deep dive into what is Gemini, why it's so impressive, and why you know everything about it today is a lie. And at the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to run ChatGPT-4 for free on your mobile device. Stay tuned. So 6th of December, Google announced Gemini, a new generative AI model. I checked all the articles about it, I read all tweets, and here's what I think you should know. There are gonna be 3 types of Gemini. Gemini Ultra, the most powerful and capable model for different tasks. Gemini Pro is the best model to scale across a lot of different other tasks. And Gemini Nano for mobile platforms. And now we're gonna watch Gemini Pro presentation to prove it. This is really impressive. It seems like it's a magic and it looks like it's happening in real time. There is no delay between analyzing the frames in the video. It can also understand different words in different languages and show you how to pronounce it. It also can create games just from the scratch. Isn't that impressive?
Give me some ideas for what I could make with this.
I see pink and green yarn. How about a dragon fruit?
You see, it just suggested a person to make a dragon fruit and it draw a picture of it. That's really impressive. And it solves a logic problem here, where the duck should go.
Which way should the duck go?
Going left leads to a duck, which is a friend. Going right leads to a bear, which is a foe. It is better to make friends than foes, so the duck should go left.
And this is actually freaking awesome. It seems like Gemini connected all those dots and numbers and just created a picture of a crab just while looking at those numbers and dots.
This is a picture of a crab.
That's right.
And my favorite example here is with a guitar. So Gemini analyzed the drawing and started to generate music based on the drawings.
I see you're drawing a guitar.
And then a person added some extra instruments like drums, and Gemini regenerated the music. It changed the music to more advanced.
You've added an amp. Now it's an electric guitar. We can make some seriously loud music now. Given that you added drums, how about some 80s hair metal? Alright, I see you've added a palm tree to the drawing. Change it up with some beachy vibes.
That's totally amazing. But the main question, is it real or is it just marketing? When I first saw the presentation, I was so impressed, but unfortunately we were just tricked by that. According to the tweet of Farm Olson, everything what was made in the video was pre-made before the video, and the full presentation was just fake. Let me prove it to you. In fact, they were not asking Gemini any questions. The questions were prepared based on the pictures and typed in before the video. Gemini also had some suggestions, and then they just created a video from it. Are you freaking serious? You tricked millions of people. But if you still want to use improved version of ChatGPT, like ChatGPT-4, you can just download the Edge browser and click on the GPT-4 mode, and then you can just use it for free. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.